Okay, Team Synergy, James Warren back again. All right, now I want to show you one of the marketing pages that we will be using as a team. This is just one of the many pages that we will be creating. As you recall in RWJ, Angela, Louie, and myself created splash pages and lead capture pages for the entire team. Well, I see us being able to do the same thing here and having a marketing system that James Young will probably help create for us. So the link that I showed you in the back office of Business Toolbox as our link to promote is just the rotator, and I'll show you how that works for the team. This page I built a couple of days ago, and I think I shared it with the team for feedback purposes. It basically explains everything about our team and how it works, and it gives the explanation from a video standpoint from the back office of B2B. But what I want to scroll down and show you is how the team works. When somebody clicks join now, it says our team rotator. Well, that is the link inside of our back office that I showed earlier. That's the rotator link that's right here. When we click this, it takes us to Neville Easley because he's the next in line to get two. Everybody gets two. So once Neville has his two, the rotator will say he has his two, so the next person in line should get two. So it won't go back to Neville after if somebody else comes and he clicks join now and Neville already has his two, the next person, Angela Severs, gets two. After Angela gets her two, the next person up. Mitch gets his two. The next person up. Jocelyn gets her two. The next person up. Janice Taylor gets her two. The next person up. Guy gets his two, and so forth and so on, folks. So every time this button is clicked, that rotator is doing the job of the team. It makes it automatic. And once they do that, we expect them to be able to read this. Please return to this page after joining to complete step two. And here's step two. When they go to this page, it tells them that they have to join the team. They have now paid their money. They are now in the system of B2B, but then they have to go in and log in, like I showed you, to their account, my team bill, click the button, I want to join a group, write the word synergy in the box, and then hit send. They will have to wait to be approved. And then for communication purposes, they need to communicate with their sponsor. We need communication, folks. One of the things that made RWJ break down is John did not know who was joining Summit. People were not communicating with each other. You only have two directs. And if those two people cannot contact you, then why would you want them on your team? Why would you want to work with them? Why would you want to help them make money? Unfortunately, I want to work with people who want to make money. And if you can't talk to me, if you can't communicate with me, then we have an issue. And then a requirement for the team will be 1,000 hits per week. Folks, I can get 1,000 hits in my sleep. I'm sorry, I'm trying. I don't want to be coming across as somebody who's mean and anything like that. I am a Marine, and understand. And Greg, don't you start laughing. But I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. We understand that there are people who join these things, team bills, and they want a free ride. Jocelyn shared with me that she had a concern when we were promoting RWJ and we kept saying free, join for free, don't do nothing, join for free. We don't want that here, folks. We want people who join and understand that they will make money if they work. The only time success comes before work is in the dictionary, folks. So we are as a team, we're going to make sure people are doing their thing because we're going to have team tracking links. I am creating links that will be able to track the amount of activity people are getting. They can any form of advertising that they want to use, safe list, classified ads, traffic exchanges, PPC, pay per click. We don't care as a team. We just want to make sure they're working. Yes, the hit requirement is 1,000, and as a team, we can communicate with each other. We can have a vote and find out if somebody gets 875 hits one week, whether or not we want to put them back to the bottom of the list. That's up to us as the leadership. We get to decide that. But folks, this is how this works. Again, this is one of many pages that we will be creating. So the link that we will be promoting is right here. CreateExtraMoney.com B2B Team Build is the link that we will promote, not the link in our back office of B2B. That's just the rotator. That link is embedded right here. So every time somebody clicks this, it goes to the next person up, whoever that person is, the next person up. Right now, I'm using the matrix. I'm using our Team Synergy spreadsheet that we all have, and I'm going systematically. Unfortunately, I was trying to get a hold of Angela. I just had somebody sign up under Mitch, but Angela's next in line to get two. I have a couple of people. I sent an email to Russell Allen and Glenn Dobson. They have not responded. But as people respond, once these 11 people have two, then we can promote to the public, folks. I want to make sure our team, our leadership team, is in place and ready to go. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Any questions or concerns about what we're going to be promoting. We're going to be promoting pages like this, not that rotator link, not the link in our back office. Um, I deleted it. I left it, but not. I just want to make sure we understand. We're going to be promoting pages like this and not the rotator link, folks. Just want to be clear on that. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a Skype. I've had a couple of Skype contacts so far, but not as many. I need 11 people on Skype, folks. I want to make this abundantly clear. All 11 of us should be on Skype. We don't have the social room. I'm trying to work that out. Angela shared with me that she didn't have the time and or the finances to be able to handle that, and I understand it's expensive, but folks, we will get there. Over time, if we're making money, we can put some of those things in place. But I want to be clear as a team what we're doing. I want to make sure these requirements are understood by everybody on this team. So when somebody asks you a question and I'm sleeping in my bed, or Janice is asleep, or Greg is asleep, and Britta's not available, excuse me, Britta's not part of the team, Bill. I shouldn't have said that. But anyway, if one of 11 of us has a question and the other 10 are not around, that one person can answer the question correctly. So we don't have to say, I don't know. I don't know. Talk to Carol, talk to John. I'm sorry. I'm adamant about us being on the same page. I'm adamant. Because if we're on the same page, we will make money.